So stay tuned. Now we are going to unbox a Sun Park Verticile vlogging kit with Bluetooth, iOS and Android remote. Use it anywhere. Includes 6-inch bi-colored LED ring light, smartphone mount. Smartphone mount, 12-inch tripod with ball head, Bluetooth remote. We are going to tell you the price. So the price is very budget friendly. It's only $29.99. Just 1 cent away from $30, but it is only $29.99. 99 cents, $29. And we got this at Best Buy. We could have ordered it online, but we wanted to check all of the things by person because it's a little bit easier than scrolling down on all of the notifications and facts about this thing on online. So we buy it in person. So now let's unbox it. Buys in a lot of places, but we got this in Dallas, Texas. And now let's open this. These are all the places we can use it. Cooking and beauty, like makeup, and wardrobe, like clothes, and baking, like making some applesauce or maybe some apple pie or something, and music, like dun 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 dun. And we have another side what we can do. It's best for indoors and outdoors because sports, this is outdoor activity, yoga, traveling, gaming and fitness. Gaming like pia. Traveling like maybe we're going to England, maybe we're going to New Zealand or something. And yoga like this is like a fitness show or something. And this is sports, like basketball or soccer maybe. So now let's open it. Let's see, this is kind of hard to open, but good thing I have nails. Okay, let's see. I think we're going to have to break the box for this. So we've opened it, and now let me get this out. Let's see, how do we get this out? I think we got anything inside. Oh, those are just some cardboard pieces. We don't need that. We got this. Oh no! So I guess this is the ring light, and I suppose this is the thing to plug it in. And is this the remote for the LED light? Let's see. I guess this is for where you put your phone on, and it's where you put your phone on and like make videos with it. This is, I guess, the tripod. Okay, we can just set it up like this. It's a little bit smaller than I expected, but it's still very fine. Oh no, I think I put it wrong. What is the bubble wrap? Pop. And this is supposed to go on this, I'm sure, but I'll get my dad to fix this. But it kind of looks like a little mini table. See, little mini table. And I think this is the charger. I'm an astronaut, baby. And now my parents will fit this. Hi guys, and now I'll tell you how to make this remote connect with the phone in Bluetooth. So first you have to turn this on and then you will see the blue light flashing. Then you have to go to settings, and then you'll see Sun Park, and that's how you connect it. It's so easy, right? Okay. I'm an alien. Well, I'm just kidding. And we use this instructions paper to fix this. Actually, I put this mini table, I screwed it on this. That's pretty cool. And now let's check the lighting. So we first have to turn it on. Now it's super dim. Now it is really bright. Now it's a little dimmer, and now it's really dim again. That's cool, right? It has 3 modes. Super bright, a little dim, and super dim. So it on. Now this is just a small video that I'm making. So let's see. Let's turn it on with this small little remote. So we want to turn it on. So hi guys, and now it's just a little video now. So now I'm just going to make the video on my own. This is a Sunpack vlogging kit. It is shake free because sometimes they're like so careful, but it's shaking, shake. So then the video gets blurry and blah. But so now it cannot get blurry or anything. And also it has awesome lighting. It has dim mode, it has bright mode, it has a little bit dim mode, super dim mode. That's cool, right? That's pretty cool. And now, bye guys. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification button for awesome, very super duper awesome videos just like this one. See you in the next video.